Hi, and welcome to our channel, Coatbusters. I'm Dan. We're here together today with my friends, and we want to find out the most durable product for detailing. If you've previously watched our videos, you know we divide our test surface into 14 pieces to make it ready for the tests. Then, we apply the wax to the hood. This week, we'll compare Meguiars and Gtechniq. Be sure to shake well before using. Like the other products we've used, we apply them to the surface with a microfiber cloth. Our next product is made by Gtechniq. In my opinion, the product that has the smaller box has always been better. Let's see if Gtechniq lives up to its expectations. We apply it by distributing equally onto the surface and start to buff it gently. For testing them, we use this bottle of water. In this one, we have detergent, and the water with high pH is in this one. This is water, and this one is mud. Now it's time to start our tests. First one is water. We test their ability to repel water. Now let's pour some water on each part of the hood and see what happens after 50 seconds. Obviously, Gtechniq shows much better results. No further comments are needed. Have a look at this muddy water. When it comes to the mud, we notice some changes. We'll evenly distribute the mud on the surface and wait 30 seconds to check them. It looks like we don't see the whole water repellency properties that we've seen in previous tests because the slope is not high enough. Let's clean them with some water. Let's see who will win the easy cleaning test. Gtechniq has less stain and a much cleaner surface. It's winning again. This is the test that I like. We made scratches with this lighter. Do not try this at home. To demonstrate the difference, we started with the uncoated area. Both products do not have the desired result when it comes to scratching. Now we are going to use the water with high pH and wash the hood with a firm brush and see if they maintain their efficiency. We pour it on. Two minutes later. Like all the products we've tested up to now, Meguiars and Gtechniq lose their effectiveness when washed with high pH water. I think we have a champion here.